Alright, now we are at the point where everything we have learned so far comes together. We talked about different components of a prompt, we saw how interaction roles like system, user, and assistant work, and we explored the principles of good prompting, like being clear, simple, and specific. So now let's put all of that into one clear structure, and this is what makes a good prompt. First, while writing a prompt, define who the model should be. This sets the tone and expertise. In the example prompt that we have on the right side of the slide, we start the prompt by telling our assistant that it should act like a marketing strategist. Now the model knows how to behave. Next, tell it how to sound. Match the tone to your audience. Should it sound professional, friendly, formal, or casual? In the instructions, we tell it to sound persuasive, professional, yet approachable with a hint of urgency. Then define the output format. You can say write an email in three short paragraphs or show it as a table with three columns. After that, give it background information. What is the product, who is the audience, and what is the purpose? In the blue, we tell what is our product. It is a data secure endpoint encryption service. We tell it about our audience and the purpose of this prompt and the output. Then state the main goal in just one simple sentence. Keep it crisp that help the model stay focused. In the gray, we tell that our goal is to convince the reader to sign up for the free 14-day trial. Also, if there is anything that AI must not do, like don't use jargons or don't mention pricing, be clear about it. Use markers like hashtags or clear headings to split the prompt into neat sections. That makes it easier for the model to follow. And finally, put your most important instruction either at the very start of the prompt or at the very end of the prompt because that is where model pays more attention. When you follow this structure, you will get cleaner, smarter, and more reliable outputs. You should go and run this prompt and see how your AI assistant responds.